Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Kenan Fatahila. I'm from Group 1. And thanks to Mr. Tio for your attention and your time. In this video, I want to explain and tell about my project. My project is about IoT solution, Smart Thermostat. In this project, I have few objectives. First, I want to monitor, control, and record the data from microcontroller to the cloud platform. And then I want to understand the data flow within the circuit. And finally, I want to accessing the dashboard via mobile and desktop device. Before I start more, I want to explain what is the difference between thermostat and smart thermostat. Thermostat is a regulating device component that sends the temperature of physical system and perform actions to maintain the system temperature near a desired set point. This is an example of programmable thermostat. And then what is smart thermostat? Smart thermostat is actually have the exact same function like a programmable thermostat in general, but it is integrated with internet connection and can be accessed remotely. Next is a components and circuit that I use in this project. I have several parts, but this is the four main component. This one is a sensor. I'm using the S18B20 for temperature sensor, and this one is LCD 16:2, and this is the actuator, fan motor, and for the microcontroller I'm using Node MCU ESP8266. There is also another part like a breadboard, jumper wires, resistor 4.7k ohm, and external power supply module. This is my circuit. I'm powering up the Node MCU or the microcontroller using 5V, and for the actuator and the display screen also I'm using the 5V, but for the temperature sensor I'm using 3.3V. From the temperature, it sends the data to the Node MCU by using digital pin 7 or D7, and actuator sending the data from pin in A and in B to the microcontroller, digital pin 5 and digital pin 6 respectively. And for the I2C interface from the LCD display screen, it uses digital pin 1 and digital pin 2 respectively. And next, the IoT platform that I use in this project is Tinger.io. Tinger.io is an IoT platform that we can use Tinger.io to store, access, and control our devices from internet from their dashboard. This is the example, and I want to demonstrate the Tinger.io in the next section. And the most important thing is to understanding the data flow or the workflow. This is the final diagram. We have Node MCU or the microcontroller. We have the cloud, actuator, LCD display, and the temperature sensor. I want to explain it step by step. So wait. First, after we boot up or powering up the Node MCU, it will initialize its component. It will first initialize the sensor and the actuator and also the display screen. And next, it try to connecting to the cloud platform, in this case IoT platform. If the connection is successfully connected, it will first fetch the system property from the cloud to the microcontroller. The data is like configuration and some property that our system needs. And after that, the system will start the iteration and keep communicating with the cloud. First, the sensor will send the temperature value to my microcontroller, and then my microcontroller sending the temperature value to the cloud, and then also my microcontroller fetching the data from the cloud to operate the actuator and the LCD display. I will explain it later. This is the example of Tinger.io dashboard. We can see the room temperature. We can set the maximum desired temperature and the minimum desired temperature. We can also toggle the LCD backlight. We can also toggle the fan and change the fan to static mode or automatic mode. This is the logs or graph from collected data. We can conclude the data into the graph, and there is a few important point here. First is our devices. In this section, we can see overall information about our device. We can see the properties from our device. I have separated the LCD state and fan state, so we can also collect the data from our microcontroller. In this example, I want to collect the temperature value. This is a real-time value from my microcontroller. And one more thing I want to show is the data bucket or storage. My microcontroller storing the temperature value and to the cloud, and Tinger.io will save and store the data into their database. From this we can import and export the data. For example, I have exported the data in CSV format. I think that's all, and next I want to demonstrate by using mobile device. And here I'm demonstrating the project via mobile device. I'm accessing the dashboard within my browser. In this example, I want to turn on the LCD backlight, just pressing this button. Wait a minute, wait a second, and it should turn on. Yeah, the LCD is indicating the temperature sensor, temperature value, and the fan speed. The fan speed is currently off. We can toggle it on. Scroll down and toggle fan. Wait a second. And now the fan is turned on. The fan speed is currently low. We can switch it to another speed. In this example, I'm turning on the fan static mode. And now the fan speed is normal, which is slightly faster than the low version. And if we want to toggle it off, just pressing toggle fan again, and it off. I think that's all. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.